Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Today we have submarine Arighat set to add ballast to nuclear triad. Now, students, India has recently added a powerful weapon to its navy, the INS Arighat. Now, what do you mean by INS? Here you can see INS is added, है ना? INS. INS का मतलब क्या होता है? It stands for Indian Naval Ship, and it's a prefix used to identify ships in the Indian Navy. So when you hear INS Arigat, it means Indian Naval Ship Arigat, right? And this has been added, set to add ballast to nuclear triad. Now, nuclear triad, students, it's a military strategy where a country has the ability to launch a nuclear attack from land, air, and sea. All right. So this makes it a very difficult for an enemy to defend against a nuclear strike. Right. So how INS Arigat joins the nuclear triad? Basically, INS Arigat is a nuclear powered submarine, which is part of the sea based component of the nuclear triad. This means that it can launch nuclear missiles from underwater, below the water. Underwater से ये nuclear missile launch कर सकता है. Okay. So basically, this presence of INS Arigat and other nuclear powered submarines in India, it acts as a powerful deterrent. It signals to potential adversaries that India has the ability to respond with a devastating nuclear strike if necessary. अगर कोई strike करेगा तो हमारे पास उसका जवाब देने के लिए एक आंसर, एक वेपन मौजूद है. So, like in this article, you can see a word is added, a phrase is added, nuclear deterrence. Right? Here you can see nuclear deterrence. तो nuclear deterrence का मतलब क्या होता है? See, Arigat will further strengthen India's nuclear triad. Triad का हमने समझ लिया कि sea से, लैंड से और एयर से न्यूक्लियर स्ट्राइक कर पाने की जो क्षमता होती है उसको ट्रायड कहते हैं. एंड दिस विल मेक इट दिस इंडियाज न्यूक्लियर ट्रायड विल enhance nuclear deterrence. Nuclear deterrence, students, it's a strategy where a country threatens to use nuclear weapons to prevent other countries from attacking them. Basically, it's like saying, if you attack me, I'll use my biggest, most powerful weapon to fight back. Right? So the idea is that the threat of nuclear destruction is so scary that no one would actually dare to start a war. So basically, it's a way to keep peace by showing that the consequences of war would be terrible for everyone involved. Right? And INS Arigat is India's second nuclear powered submarine that can launch ballistic missile. Means that it's a very powerful weapon and can strike targets very far away. Okay. And range is also mentioned in this article. You can just go through it. Now, important part of this article is that India had built INS Arigat itself. Right? There's a word mentioned indigenously. इंडिजीनियसली का मतलब क्या होता है कि दे इंडिया डिडंट बाय इट फ्रॉम अदर कंट्री, दे डिजाइंड एंड मेड इट यूजिंग देयर ओन टेक्नोलॉजी. इंडिया ने खुद ये डिजाइन किया है, किसी और देश से टेक्नोलॉजी बोरो नहीं किया है या फिर खरीदा नहीं है. उन्होंने खुद अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी से आईएनएस अरिगात को बनाया है. And INS Arigat is better in many ways than INS Arihant. INS Arihant इसका एक प्रीडेसेसर है जो पहले 2016 में कमीशन हुआ था इंडियन नेवी में. Why we are saying this, that Arigat is better in many ways than INS Arihant, which was India's first nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine. INS Arihant क्या है? इंडिया की first nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine है. Arighat is the second one. अरिहंत फर्स्ट है। तो ऐसा हम क्यों कह रहे हैं क्यों बेटर है? क्योंकि अरिघात में बेटर टेक्नोलॉजी इंस्टॉल्ड है, उसमें काफी सारे न्यू न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी इंस्टॉल्ड है, इसीलिए वो अरिहंत से बेटर है। एंड Arihant, and when we talk about the commissioning of Arigat into Indian Navy, it's a big achievement for India because it shows that they can build their own advanced military technology, and India need not to buy it from other countries and pay huge bill, because when we buy any technology from other countries, we had to pay for that, right? And आप कोई टेक्नोलॉजी खरीदते हो किसी कंट्री से, पहली बात तो बहुत से कंट्रीज आपको देते नहीं है, और अगर देंगे भी तो बहुत ज्यादा वो कॉस्टली रहता है। तो इंडिया हमेशा फोकस कर रहा है अभी कि हम इंडिजिनियसली टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप करें, ऑलराइट, जिससे एक तो इसके बहुत सारे एडेड एडवांटेजेस हैं। एम्प्लॉयमेंट, इट विल जनरेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट, एंड इट विल boost our economy. And from importer country, we will become an exporter country in context of defense technology. तो डिफेंस टेक्नोलॉजी के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हम इम्पोर्टर से ज्यादा एक्सपोर्टर बन जाएंगे अगर हम टेक्नोलॉजी खुद इंडिया में उसको हम लोग बनाते हैं, और ऐसे हम यूज कर सकते हैं। ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, so that's it for today. Have a happy learning and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.